Alright, we're changing control arms on a 2009 Mercury Mariner Hybrid. We're changing them because these control arms, although they fit, there's supposed to be a little cutout here for the sway bar so that it doesn't hit. And the new ones we got have that. To change these, the first tricky part that you're going to come to is getting this bolt right here out. We already pulled this side out, but what you're going to want to do is get yourself at least a torch like that. A bigger one would be better, but we made it do with that one. And just stick the torch in here and heat this up. Stick it in there for 5 or 10 minutes. You're going to get stuff melting and burning and stuff. Just make sure you're using good judgment. And you want to back that bolt out a little bit till you see this start to push away from the top, and then you can spray some penetrating oil in there. And this is invariably going to be seized up to the bolt. Spray some penetrating oil in there so it can start soaking down through, let the heat work it in, and then just, you know, work it out until you can get it to break loose. Do you have that
This
bolt?
is the new one. If you want to
This is the new one with the cutout here. Do you have that, the other bolt?
Yeah.
The other bolt looks like it's stripped out at the top, but that's how it comes from the factory. Both of them looked exactly the same like this, so don't feel like you stripped your bolt out when you get it out. It's kind of got this, I believe it's so that it kind of self-aligns when you put it back in, but we put the other side back in and it tightened up fine. So that's your first step. Your next step here is going to be to break this bolt here loose and take that one out, and then loosen your ball joint knuckle here. I guess the lighting is not that great. Here we go. Right there, and take that out. And then once you've pulled that bolt out, you just kind of bang this loose and pull the control arm out, and then we'll put it back in. Alright, when you're separating the knuckle here, if you can get like a punch type, a wide punch, chisel point punch to sit in that slot and pound it in there to wedge it out, or if you can get like a cat claw in there and kind of just kind of open up the knuckle a little bit to help you get the ball joint out. That helps out. Alright, so when you're going to put this in, it's best to start with this bolt here and put it in like this. Don't tighten it down. You want that to be able to twist so that you can twist it back over here. And then you're basically just going to pull this back out of the way, push this down, under, and around. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. And then you'll, we used like a second jack to push this up to get that hole lined up. And then you can put your ball joint back in and tighten everything down. Make sure you don't tighten stuff down until after you got everything, all the bolts in the places where they need to go. Then tighten them all back down. Hope you found this video helpful. If you could subscribe to my channel, that would really help me out. Don't worry about the notification bell, just subscribe. I just need 1,000 subscribers. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching.